So guys, Lewis here from the Box M07. Today in this video we are going to be doing Foot 18 pack openings on my phone. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it as I've just done. Wait for it to load up. So I'm going to have this noise quite mild in the background. If it does get annoying, tell me. Yeah. Just take quite a while to load up. I think we're on. Nope. Cancel. Okay, we're on. Yes. So these are the cards that I have. Let's go open some packs. Well, I always get bonds in these. So annoying. Another bond, obviously. Complicated. Oh, silver. Got silver. How was that silver? 79 gold. Fair play, yeah. Well, I'm gonna do no look. So I'm not looking, but you guys could probably see it. I'm gonna look now. Milner. Nah. Oh dear, my zip is broke. I hate it when your zips break. Oh, screw it. Wait, mint. Salvoy. Of course, it's a bronze. What else would it be with me? I'm gonna do one more, and then I'm gonna open some. Gonna buy some. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna buy some anyway. Who's getting all these bad players? Okay. Let's see what new players there are. Hazard, David Silva, Eriksen, Griezmann, Hummels, Pogba, Vidal, Verratti, Cavani, Pogba again, Lukaku, Nainggolan, Mustafi, and yeah, with the others, like Sterling, Sané, Pastore, Signe. Okay, I'm gonna stop now because I don't want to go through all of them and waste our time. Right, so packs. Oh, 3 tokens. Okay. Okay. And you got 4, so let's open a special pack. These don't give you any cards, any good card, but well, they might do. No, look. It's an 81 Martinez. Jesus Christ. Oh! What are they specials? Right, I'm gonna end this video here, but I will give you guys some more videos in the future coming up. Hope you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.